for the invitation. So, Nephelie Technologies. Nephelie Technologies is a startup company based in Bristol. We are developing high-performance networking solutions for very demanding applications. And one of the demanding applications I'm going to demonstrate or show you here is the volumetric video production. And I'll explain what that is, because I assume that you're familiar with networking, but the application is very important as well. So volumetric video is all about reconstructing a three-dimensional object by taking pictures all around it. So typically, the way you do that is that you have 100 cameras surrounding the object. You take the picture simultaneously, so it's all the cameras synchronized. And then you have a very complex process which reconstructs the three-dimensional object of the three-dimensional model of this object. So you use traditionally photogrammetry, which is a very centuries-old technique to actually reconstruct this three-dimensional model. What happened in the last 2 years is that a new technique to actually do that has been arised and developed by the universities in the United States called NERVs, and I want to present and show you what is the big difference here. First of all, if you use photogrammetry and the traditional volumetric video, sorry, I don't know why this is happening. If you use the traditional way of actually doing volumetric video, you have the problem of actually being constructed. All right, I don't know what's you are constricted in a specific place, and it's not scalable. You cannot take it outdoors and actually capture something outdoors. So what Nephelie is doing is actually developing a solution that's offering a dynamic volumetric video production by using a wireless network. So there are two elements, two innovations coming out from Nephelie Technologies. One is this AI-driven 3D rendering using NERVs, which is a neural density fields. And then the other one is, of course, is the time-sensitive network that actually provides the connectivity that requires to actually handle all these cameras. So neural radiance fields is a very important part of the technology we're developing here. And what this is all about using a neural network, and you train the network based on the input pictures that you have taken. And then you ask the neural network to actually render any other intermediate area. If you just see the way it's handled, so you have images taken from all around the object. So you can imagine that there are 100 cameras capturing an object, in this case the drum set there. And then you train the network, the neural network, so it's an AI machine learning technology. And then you ask it to actually render any particular time of view that you want. Now, this by itself has a lot of applications, and it's a very big, exciting area of research. What we want is actually bring the wireless network together with the NERV technology together and making a very powerful, dynamic, volumetric video solution. And that's what we're working in Bristol. So why NERVs and 5G? Obviously, it's a technology and rendering technology, a new way to actually construct three-dimensional models, which can be used in many applications, from digital twins to architecture, real estate, and other applications. If you just Google it, you will find out what I'm talking about. And of course, the demand here is that the wireless network has to be powerful enough to support this kind of applications. And obviously, what I'm looking here is basically partners and people who want to actually use this application for, for the projects. Thanks.